He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his nowhere plans for nobody.
God aften, mine damer og herrer. Rigtig hjertelig velkommen. Vil vi i aften lægge endnu en brik i den store, smukke mosaik, der hedder The Beatles, verdens største band.
Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car, and maybe I'll love you. Beep, 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 yeah.
En klog mand sagde engang, hvis du kan huske 60'erne, så har du ikke været der. Jeg synes godt, jeg kan huske 60'erne, og jeg håber da, at jeg kan huske noget af det, vi skal igennem i aften, for det handler meget om 60'erne. Vi må aldrig glemme George Harrison som sangskriver. Vi har valgt en sang, som måske er blevet lidt glemt. Fra Rubber Soul i 1965, George Harrisons sang If I Needed Someone, Jesper Heinz.
Had you come some other day, then it might not have been like this. But you see now I'm too much in love. If I had some more time to spend, then I guess it'd be with you, my friend. If I needed someone,
So please listen to me if you wanna stay mine. I can't help my feelings, I go out of my mind. I'm gonna let you down. Told you before, oh, you can't do that. Get back to where you once belong. Get back to where you once belong.
you should know, yeah.
She's happy as can be, you know she said so. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. I'm so glad that she's my little girl. She's so glad she's telling all the world that her baby buys the things, you know he buys her. Hey, Chipper, yeah. Hey, Chipper.
Det startede med Love Me Do, og modnedes til visdomsord fra det band, der fuldstændig ændrede popmusik. Tak for i aften.